Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to IBFL Bharat. Again, myself Nikhil Agarwal presenting a new vlog in front of you in which we are doing a new assignment. And previously you had watched the assignment up to assignment number 8, and now we are here to present a new vlog. In this video, you are about to watch how to apply the discounts, means cash discounts, and discount allowed and discount received also. So be ready and perform the activities with us. And there is a communication window in front of you, and we had already named it as assignment number 9. Now we are creating it, and we are taking India as country and state as Delhi, and we are setting GST option to no and saving the information. Next window is of super user, and we are creating here A9. Password will be 123 and 123 and accept. Next window will be a feature window, and we will skip it now. What is the first transaction is given? Cash in hand means we have a running business and we are entering into a new year. That's why we have given cash in hand. Masters, take masters and open account and modify our cash ledger, which is here cash ledger, and put opening balance of 6250. Okay, now we are not given the capital, so we will assume the same amount of cash as capital also. So we will create a ledger, add, and name of ledger will be capital. We are just assuming it. Take it in capital account and amount will be same 6250, so that our balance sheet will be equal for future entries. Now come in transactions. First transaction is given purchase goods for cash from Ramlal. So we are coming to journal voucher, and entry first entry will be of purchases. Amount of purchases 4250, and we are taking it as cash. If you want to put narration also, you can put and set the name Ramlal in the vendor's name. Save the information, and next transaction is received cash from Aminat, but there is no information about why we had received amount from Amina. So we will assume as loan. So we will open receipt voucher, add, create a ledger F3, and open a new ledger of Amirna's loan account. This will be our current liabilities, or you can say it as unsecured loans. We are receiving cash from Aminas. We are taking it as current liability and saving the information. Amount of loan is 210 rupees and it is in cash. Next transaction is paid cash for sundry trade expenses. Alt F4, 5, and sundry trade expenses, create a ledger by pressing F3, trade expenses. This will be our direct expenses because it is trade expenses, and F2, enter. Amount of trade expenses is 146 rupees. Amount is in cash. Next transaction is of postage. Postage also we are making payment F5. Postage, postal expenses. Amount is 12 rupees. Amount paid in cash. Next is sales made to Kailash Brothers. Come in general, Alt F7. Kailash Brothers loan account, Kailash Brothers ledger we will create, and amount Kailash, and this will be our debtors. Amount of sales is 1450, and amount will be going sales. Save. Here we will put a new reference also. Bill number is not given, so we will put here Kailash Chand /001, and entry is accepted. Next is Kailash Chand making payment to us, and we are allowing discount also. So received a voucher we are already opened, and payment is receiving through cash. So amount of Kailash was 1450, but the payment we are getting is 1337, and the difference amount will go in discount allowed. So we have to prepare a ledger F3, discount allowed, and discount allowed is our indirect expenses. 113 will be the discount. Save the information by adjusting it with the previous bill KC001. Next entry is cash purchases. So come in F7, and here is purchases. Amount of cash purchases is 1415, and amount will go in cash. Save the information. Next is rent. So we will open Alt F5. Rent is office rent. Amount of rent is 450 and amount paid through cash. Next, we are making purchases from Baldev. So open F7, journal voucher, purchasing made from Baldev. So create a ledger of Baldev, creditors, 250 rupees, amount, purchases we have done, bill number. So we will take it as it is, BD001. And now we are making payment to Baldev. Open F5, then we are making payment to Baldev. The receiver is Baldev, so we will take Baldev here. 250 rupees was to be given, but we are not making payment of 250. We are making payment of 225 because 10% discount we have received. So 10% will be 250 of 250 will be 25 rupees. 25 deducted as a discount. So 225 will be in cash, and next ledger we are making is discount received. ठीक है, discount received, and this is our indirect incomes. To enter 25 rupees discount we have received and adjust it with the bill like this. Next entry is furniture repairing expense, repair and maintenance. Maybe here will be the ledger of repair or maintenance. Yeah, office maintenance expenses is here. So we can use this, or you can prepare a new ledger of repair and maintenance. Okay. So the amount of repair and maintenance is 50 rupees and amount paid in cash. Next amount is sold goods for cash. So you can use the receipt voucher also. You can use the journal voucher also. We are taking journal, say sales in cash 807, and in credit there will be sales account, and save the information. Next entry is general expenses. Alt F5. General expense, there is no ledger prepared, so we will press F3 and prepare a ledger of general expenses. Will be indirect expense. F2, enter. General expense. Amount of general expenses is 26 rupees. Payment made in cash. Except printing press expense can be taken as two types, like we can deem it as advertisement or we can deem it as stationery. Because through printing press, we have the pamphlets also, we can print our banners also. Then is this type of expense will be entered in advertisement. But if we had printed some bill books or letterheads, this will be our stationery, so we will take it in printing and stationery expense. So this time we are deeming it as advertisement and publicity. Amount of advertisement publicity will be 45 rupees and payment made in cash. Okay. And last entry, due cash for personal use. Personal use, we are taking it as use payment feature and take ledger F3 drawings. Drawings will go in capital account. F2, enter. Amount of drawings is 100 rupees and will be in cash. Okay. Okay. What things are given to for checking is we will come to display final result balance sheet, horizontal balance sheet month wise. Only one date we have taken for entry. That's why we will use this option 2 years and accept it. Total balance sheet is 6360. Cash in hand balance is 1885 and losses are 4475. Is this correct? Losses for the period are 4475 and this is our P&L account. Our gross loss was there 3804. So we have a net loss of 44075 because of these expenses. Lot of expenses we had made, but only 25 rupees income we had made. So we are having a loss of 4475 in this case study. So better luck next time. Next case study we will do. Hopefully we will have a profit in that. So these are the reports we have to check after performing every transaction, or you can use every assignment. After completing every assignment, we have to check such reports. What is our balance sheet total? What is the cash balance? What is the bank balance, if any? What are the liabilities we have? If we have a fixed asset, how many fixed assets are there? What are the drawings in particular period? Loss of the period is 4475. We have to check, and there's no need of total of P&L, but the net loss or net profit is to be considered. So this was our case study for today, and vlog number assignment number 9 we had completed. Hope you had understood all the topics, all the transactions. If any query arises, you can use our comment section for asking for that query on any doubts. If you liked it, please hit the like button. If you had not subscribed it yet, please subscribe my channel. And if you want to share my videos, please share it as well. So that needy people, needy students can get the links and can get the knowledge by sitting at home without going anywhere. So hope you all understood today's case study. We will write back to you with the new case study. Till then, goodbye. See you soon and thanks for watching. Bye bye.